So this is my first ever vlog, which I didn't think I'd be doing. But me and my boyfriend Alex are going travelling for around 3 months in Asia. And then we are going to Australia. We'll travel a little bit of Australia, like Sydney, Brisbane. We really want to go to Whitsundays as well. And then we'll be staying and living in Melbourne for the foreseeable. So I just thought it'd be a really good idea to vlog it all. So then obviously we can look back on the videos, and then our family and friends, anyone else who's interested, can see exactly what we're up to. So we really hope you enjoy. So I'm actually travelling now. So I've already left England and everything like that, but I completely forgot to do like an introductory video earlier, so I'm gonna put this at the beginning of my first vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna show clips of when I said goodbye to my family dogs called Lionel and Reggie, which was awful. And then the next video is me and Alex at the airport, and then us flying to our first destination, which is Japan, Tokyo. What's that?
Potato.
What's that?
Spicy Mexican grilled chicken.
Nice.
Fajita.
You excited? We're just at the lounge now. We upgraded, didn't we? It's actually really nice. So we've officially landed in Tokyo. We've just found the hotel and we've literally just got a quick shower and popped straight out because we're so hungry and we're just so tired. We really want to get some sleep in so we can have a good day tomorrow. We went out for some food, had a drink on the rooftop bar, and then we've come back and we're about to get a really good night's sleep, hopefully, because we are absolutely shattered. Tomorrow we're going to try and walk around Tokyo just to get a bit of our bearings. We've just got umbrellas because it is absolutely pouring down. We were absolutely freezing. We just went into Uniqlo and got some. Our mascara's already come off, there's no point in any makeup on today. We're now just going to go for a coffee and get some bearings of where we are and then try and find some food. It's like 1 o'clock and we still haven't had anything to eat. Right, we are absolutely drenched. Oh, like an egg. We've just sat down in like a coffee place. I've gone for a chai and latte, which I've never gone before, and then Alex just got a normal latte. So yeah, then we're gonna go get some food. We've chosen a ramen place. We saw this on TikTok, didn't we?
That's not random. You're right.
Can't really use chopsticks.
Here.
So we've got our dumplings and we're just struggling to use the chopsticks basically. Go on then.
Sorry. I'm really struggling.
You've literally got like one noodle. What do you think? Good?
Good. Behind you, He's got a human-like face in the world.
Do you love him? We've just found a vape store and look at this. Like, what is going on? We're in the queue to get the big cheese sandwiches. I've seen them all over TikTok before I came, and I'm just so excited. It's a full stand.
They better be good.
Out of 10?
Seven.
I want the cheese one. Good.
Oh, my cheese has come out.
All that. Oh my god.
Is that not alone your mouth?
Has that got soy sauce in it?
On the bottom, yeah. You're just gonna have the whole thing. Good that, isn't it?
What's that?
Make yourself a tea.
That's actually really good.
Yeah, really. Is that really good?
You want to try some?
Yeah, let me try this.
Good in there. So he said he ordered something else. He's got himself a beer. I didn't even know you could order that. Go and have a try.
What, the beer?
Yeah, he's absolutely buzzing.
Gravy.
What is it?
Gravy.
Is it good?
Can't not be good, can it?
So it's the next day. We've just been for a run. We got up about 9, went for a run, and then we've checked out of our hotel in Shinjuku. But before we go, we're just going to try this pancake place, which is supposed to be so good. We saw it on TikTok, so we're just waiting now for a seat. It looks so nice. Oh my god, it looks insane.
We are in Asakusa, I think. And
Yeah.
we've just dropped our bags off at the hotel, and we are currently at some temple.
And how good were those pancakes?
Yeah, so we went to this pancake place that Amelia saw on TikTok, and we had to wait about 45 minutes in the queue, and I wasn't best pleased.
But they were the best pancakes we've ever had.
So she's off the hook for that.
Right opposite the temple, and we found it's like A5 wagyu, like the best wagyu you can get, and it was like £7 for a skewer, so it's so cute. Good. We've just checked in. I'll just quickly show you the room. It's a bit messy right now, but as you can see, it is quite small. But yeah, like I said, Tokyo is, the rooms are known for being small, but it's fine, fit everything in. So we're just about to head out for some probably for some food, a couple of drinks in the Asakusa
I like the sound of that.
Are we going to, I think we're going to go to Ginza.
Yeah, we're going to go Ginza.
And something tower.
Tokyo Tower.
Tokyo Tower. I don't know how I've forgotten that. Just some comfy. Got this bag from Uniqlo. They've got Uniqlo everywhere. We did a really simple bag to put everything in. So,
Let's
there we go. We've just got outside of our hotel and we can hear like a big march. So, I don't know what it is. God, there's so many people. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is going on? So we've just got off the monorail and then there's Tokyo Tower. Look how big this is. It's huge. It reminds me a bit of like the Eiffel Tower. Look at all this underneath it as well. It's so nice. So we're just about to go up to Tokyo Tower. He's persuaded me, even though I hate like everything.
Forcefully.
Yeah.
15 meters.
My legs feel so wheezy. So we've just come off the monorail to Ginza to get some food and look around. We haven't been to Ginza yet. It's literally designer shops everywhere. Everywhere looks like the centre. It all just reminds me of like London. It's like New Yorky as well. It's huge. We've switched footwear because I've got a huge blister. So I've got one Birkenstock, one Harviana. Alex is wearing a flip-flop that's far too small. So we're back in Asakusa, which is where our second hotel is, and we're on the hunt for some food. We're absolutely starving. Ginza was really nice, but it's quite expensive. And earlier we saw some
restaurants.
Yeah, there's not many independent restaurants. And earlier we saw a lot of nice ones when we were at the temple in Asakusa, so we're going to try and go back and find some now. We've found somewhere to eat and it is absolutely crazy, but we love it. All of this is white wine in a beer glass. Strong.
Well, it's just a pint of wine.
You know what? It's actually like quite weak. Got some curry and rice, some noodles, some crispy chicken. We've already started eating them. Good?
Right, we've just stopped off for one more drink before we go back to the hotel. I've got a whiskey soda. I hate whiskey, so
You're
I don't know
excited
what
for
this
that,
is.
though.
I'm quite excited because that looks quite weak. Like, it doesn't really look like whiskey to me at all. You know what I'm picturing? What is it? What's the whiskey cocktail?
Old fashioned.
Yeah, I'm like picturing an old-fashioned colour. See, that smells like nothing. Yeah, like.
Does it not taste like anything?
It's got like a little hint of it, but like it's basically like water with a little bit of something else. What's this? Is this whiskey with
You
pepper?
can taste more whiskey than that.
Can you? It's the aftertaste, isn't it? That's so nasty. Literally, it does not. I can't even. Do you not think that's like the weirdest thing ever?
That's what it is.
It doesn't taste like alcohol though. And we have like, I had wine and you had ginger ale and is it whiskey or something? It literally tastes it. It's like water with a little bit of alcohol. I think I'm gonna have this one instead.
Oh, right, okay.
Look at this place as well. It's so cute. There's our drink.
I guess this is mine now.
So cool. So it's the next morning. It's Sunday the 7th of September. It's about 9 AM and we're off to Disneyworld today in Tokyo. So excited. And then we've actually got team labs at like 7:30. I think it's like the planet experience. So we've got such a busy day today. And then we need to have an early night because we've booked a bus to Mount Fuji tomorrow. So we've just got off the monorail, and here we are. Oh my gosh, there's the castle. First bit of food of the day. Look at this Monsters Inc. bit. Got myself some sunglasses from Beauty and the Beast shop. I tried to persuade Alex, but it didn't work. I think he's looking for... You're going to get some sunglasses?
I will do, yeah.
You've already got some on.
Yeah, but I'll buy some bloody Mickey Mouse ones.
That's what I'm talking about.
Look at Beauty. I don't know what that is. Wait tonight. Let's get in there.
We're going to go on the Beauty and the Beast ride.
Carry on.
返そうとしたのです。老女は誰がこんな野獣を愛してくれるのでしょう。
どなたかいらっしゃる。こんにちは。チップ大。
pizza, isn't it?
We're in the queue for the second ride to Japan. Excited?
Yes.
I enjoyed the Peter Pan one. And then now we're going on Splash Mountain. It's only like 25-minute wait. Are you looking forward to it? We are absolutely soaked. That was like the best ride we've been on all day.
Yeah, definitely.
I absolutely loved it. My tummy, oh my god. What are we doing now? We're gonna go on,
The other mountain.
yeah, we're gonna go on Taylor Mountain now.
Amelia was absolutely shitting herself. She's like this.
You're so dramatic. You literally said that you were nervous anyway. Little liar.
It's not true.
It is true. Some chips, and we've actually found ketchup, which is Alex's favourite. Like a kid.
Like a kid.
About to go tabletop mountain. It's not even tabletop.
No, it's not. Big Thunder Mountain.
About to go on Big Thunder Mountain. It's in like we're in like this Hawaiian bit. I don't know if it's like Moana themed. I've got a guava drink. Alex has got a beer. That's so refreshing.
Is it? It does look it.
It's like 33 degrees today. Look how cute that is. That's a Mexican, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
I'd smash it down.
I've caught you.
では鉛筆のマジック1本の鉛筆をケースに入れて真ん中を下について入れますで真ん中の出っ張りを捉えると元通りになります入れるものなんですが蜂蜜のところまで飛ぶよ蜂みたいに大変だ
We've left Disney World and we're absolutely starving. We're going to go to Team Labs in a minute. But what did you get? Spicy
I don't know, spicy
chicken sandwich, chicken nuggets, chips. I got a teriyaki chicken fillet, which obviously isn't on the English menu. And then we got lemon pepper sauce, which looks good. I got a milkshake, vanilla milkshake, and then a Sprite. And a grape Fanta.
And I did have a cheeseburger as well, but that's all.
About to take our shoes off.
Did you not smell it? Can you not smell it?
Stink.
It's like Steve's dog's doing it.
It literally stinks of cheesy feet. What is going on?
can't hear. Shut up. What? The fish. So it's day 4. We've hit a bit of a stumbling block. Woke up this morning, we packed last night, because we were up at 7. We were up at 7 to get an 8 o'clock bus to Mount Fuji. Booked a full tour and excursion. And then we get there at 8, obviously cutting it fine. We see the bus drive away. Text the guy, where's the next pickup? 8:30 in Shinjuku. 8:31. So we've missed our tour to Mount Fuji. The mood's a little bit low at the minute. So we're trying to save money as we've just burned £110. I've currently got a hash brown for breakfast. Amelia's got a yoghurt.
On rations.
And now we're trying to find another bus terminal to see if we can jump on a bus to Mount Fuji and catch up with the tour. We'll see if we make it.
Watch this space.
Right, it's me again. And we ended up getting the bullet train and then a taxi to Lake Ashi.
We tried to get the bus.
Tried to get the bus, but we couldn't. The last bus was all booked up.
And we couldn't get through to the side of the station to make that bus.
And then it's a bit cloudy now, but hopefully we're gonna get a view. So we'll let you know.
Watch this space.
Oh, you and watch this space.
To get the ferry to the other side where do we get the cable cars? I think we get cable cars.
Yeah,
and
they're on that side.
there's like a lot of the other side, and hopefully we'll see Mount Fuji because we haven't seen it and all I can see is clouds, so watch how I look. It probably will not be visible today, but that's the boat we're getting on. It's so pretty. About to get on the cable cars, and this is our last chance to see Mount Fuji. We didn't see it on the boat. It was gorgeous, but no sight of Mount Fuji, so fingers. This is awful. We're going really slow right now because everyone's got this.
体がちょっと危ないの駅ルチが大丈夫なのゆっこはちょっと怖い
Bit scared for a second, weren't you?
バット駅に到着いたしますお降りのお客様はお忘れ物 around to make sure you have all your belongings with you. Please wait until the gondola has come to a complete stop before getting off.
So we've just got off the cable cars. We haven't seen Mount Fuji. I don't actually think we will because it's so cloudy. But then they said that this site where we've just got off the cable cars is the site of a volcanic eruption in 2015. So we've just got out and look at this. It's insane. You can smell it as well. It just smells of burning and stuff. Look at him over there. He absolutely loves it. He lives for it. That's like a glass floor, so I refuse to go over there. Always getting the stranger to take a picture for him. It's insane though. Update. We are getting a train back to Shinjuku now. We did see Mount Fuji, but we saw the bottom of Mount Fuji because the top was covered in clouds, so a win's a win. We still can say that we've seen Mount Fuji with our naked eye, so we're happy, and we saw volcanic eruption site and that lake, so Lake Ashi. All in all, although probably like 200 quid down, we saw Mount Fuji and we had a good day. So we've also got a sleeping bus, a sleepers bus tonight.
It's not even a sleepers bus, it's just an overnight bus.
I wasn't in charge of booking this, so we arrive in Kyoto tomorrow at, is it like 6 AM or something? 7 AM. And I think we set off at like 11:30 or something from Shinjuku tonight. But it's such a long day. We didn't really sleep much at all last night because we went to sleep at like 12. We were sorting out packing, and then this morning obviously we were up early, but then for no reason because we missed it. We've had about probably 6 hours last night, and then tonight we'll probably have like 7 hours. I think we're on that bus tonight for about 7.5. So, and then now we've got to go back to Asakusa to our hotel to pick up our other luggage, our hand luggage, because we've shipped our big suit, my big suitcase and Alex's big backpack to our hotel in Kyoto, because in Japan they have this thing called like forward luggage in. So like if you're in one hotel and you've booked another hotel, I don't know if it's just all over Japan, but obviously Kyoto it works from Tokyo. So then we just told like our hotel, or like, are we okay to forward our luggage to our next hotel? So they just rung our hotel in Kyoto, and then now hopefully our luggage is on its way and we'll be in Kyoto when we get there tomorrow. So our last day in Tokyo today before we head off to Kyoto. I mean, I've just said that in a very roundabout way, so sorry, but on our way.
Right, we've got some, Amelia's got some ramen. I've got some egg noodle ramen. It's our last meal in Tokyo before we get the night train to Kyoto.
Cheap today, since
Yeah.
we've got money down the drain so far.
Yeah, so you know.
3 quid each.
Yeah, I think yours was about £2.50, mine was about £3, so and then I got a highball as well, and we got water, and we got some dumplings on the way, and I think overall it came to about £10–11. This place, bonkers.
Absolutely crazy.
But in the best way.
Agreed.
All you've got to say.
Yeah.
She's shy of words today. She's
I'm tired.
Yeah, she's feeling a bit sorry for herself, but
I'm living on 6 hours sleep.
look at this place. Look at that woman.
We just got to Kyoto, so we're going to stop this vlog and then start a new one for Kyoto just to break it up a bit. I also looked back at those videos and oh my god, my teeth at the bottom. This is your sign to make sure you keep wearing your retainers because my bottom teeth move if I don't wear them every single night. They've started to move a little bit again because I didn't wear them last night because we were on an overnight book. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear me. But yeah, so thanks for watching our